Good morning, dear students. This is your English period. So open your new learners grammar and composition. Lesson 4 articles. As we all know, there are two types of articles, indefinite and definite. A and N is known as indefinite articles and the is known as definite articles. We use A and N with singular words and the is used so many cases which I will explain you. A is used before consonant sound words and N is used before vowel sound words. There are 26 letters in English. 21 letters are consonants and 5 letters are vowels. That is A, E, I, O, U. Okay? In Hindi, vowel A, E, A, O. These are also vowels in our Hindi. Sound of these vowels are known as vowel sound words and before these words we use A. जिन वर्ड्स की साउंड अ, ई, ए, ओ से होगी उससे पहले हम एन यूज करेंगे. एक्सेप्ट दीज वर्ड्स वी यूज ए. ठीक है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, लर्न दीज फोर साउंड्स अ, ई, ए, O. Okay? Now open your book, lesson 4. Yes, lesson 4 articles. Let's do. Read the text below. Underline A, N and the in the text. You have to underline the word A, N and the. My favorite vacation place is a beach in Goa. Underline word A. I like the weather there because it is never too hot or too cold. The people are very nice. I love to sit on the beach with a plate of gone food and a green coconut to drink from. The food in Goa is really good. I like to watch the sunrise and the sunset. Let me tell you about an evening full of fun as I joined others in a dance. Did you notice how A, N and the have been used in the text? Dear students, see where we are using A, N and the. A, beach. The weather. The beach. A beach. The beach. When word comes first time, we use A. When same text word come second time, we use the. A plate, a green, the food. The sunrise, the sunset and evening. Okay, a dance. When thing is repeating the text, we are using first time A and second time the. Let's learn. When we refer to one object or person in general, we use A or N. A and N are called indefinite articles. When we refer to a thing or person in particular, we use the, which is a definite article. N is used before words starting with vowel sounds and A is used before words starting with the consonant sound. Examples: Etesho, Aman, I want a t-shirt for my birthday. Any t-shirt, not a particular one. Any t-shirt, that's why we are using a. Mom, see the one here. This t-shirt looks lovely. The. His mother shows a particular one, that's why we are using the. Aman, yes, I like this. Can I buy an aeroplane? Any aeroplane, not a particular one. That's why we are using an. No, you already have one. Don't you? The one Aunt Lily bought for you. A particular one. The one. She is talking about a particular one. Aman, yes, I will buy something else. When we are talking about a particular thing, then we are using the, and not a particular thing, any common thing, then we are using a. We use a or an when something is mentioned for the first time. We use the when the same thing is mentioned for the second or subsequent time, more than one. Examples, Anu, I am going to open a packet of cereal. First mention, Ami, is that the packet Mom bought yesterday? The packet, because word packet is using second time. I want to open the packet, second and third mention. The packet. Word packet is coming third time in the sentences, so we are using the. We can also use the use of the. Listen carefully. First, before certain nouns, when we know there is only one of a particular thing. The rain, the sun, the wind, the world, the earth. However, if we want to describe a particular instance of these, we use a or an. Example, there is a cold wind blowing. I could hear the sound. Second, to describe the people of a country or a class of people, the English, the French, the rich. Third, before the names of many large geographical areas and the four directions, the east, the Gulf countries, the Himalayas on the west. We are using the before these special things. Fourth, before the names of rivers, oceans and seas, the Brahmaputra, the Indian Ocean. Fifth, before the names of deserts, forests and gulfs, the Sahara, the Persian Gulf, the Amazon forest. Sixth, before the names of musical instruments, the guitar, the drums, the flute. 7. Before a superlative, the best computer, the worst player, the most interesting book. Before the superlative degrees, we use the. Before the names of newspapers, the Hindu, the Indian Express, the Rajasthan Patrika. Okay. 9. Before the names of famous buildings, monuments, paintings, the Empire State Building, the Red Fort, the Mona Lisa. This is the use of the. Please learn these sentences. Let's practice. Correct the mistakes in the following sentences by adding the whenever necessary. We have to use the. One has been done for you. Where is new laptop you got as a prize? Where is the new laptop you got as a prize? Why we are using the? Because that is a special laptop which he has got as a prize. The plane flew over Pacific Ocean. Write the sentence again. The plane flew over the Pacific Ocean. It is the name of a ocean. 3. In India, it rains during monsoon. In India, it rains during the monsoon. Name of a special season. I would like to learn playing guitar. I would like to learn playing the guitar because guitar is a musical instrument. Himalayas have the highest peak in the world. Himalayas, name of a famous mountain. That's why we'll use the Himalayas have the highest peak in the world. Best batsman of team got injured. Best, superlative degree. That's why we will use the before the word best. The best batsman of team got injured. 7. Ganga is longest river in India. Ganga is a famous river. That's why we will use the Ganga is longest river in India. Okay. So dear students, complete this question in your book and learn the use of the